FERM, power to create. This is the FERM AGM1043 125mm power angle grinder. It has a quick release spindle lock for fast and easy disc exchange, an adjustable cutter guard for extra safety, a 3-position side handle for improved balance, an extra long power cable and multifunction LED indicator. The 880-watt motor with over 11,000 rotations a minute gives all the power you need. Ideal for cutting and grinding of metal, stone and tiles. Removing excessive material. Smoothing rough surfaces or welds. Rust and scale removal. Or simply sharpening a chisel. Lightweight, exclusive ergonomic design with soft grip for optimal working comfort. FERM, to make your job easy.